All right, I'm going to try my best to pull this turnip without shaking this camera too much. So this has been in here a really long time, and I know that it is really big, but I want to use it for dinner tonight. So we're going to do our best. Get these leaves out of the way. It's right down in there, and I have a couple of them. And she's beautiful. This is one of our favorite things to eat, is turnips. We roast them, we mash them, put them in soup. They're just really good to have around. Let's see how many I can get out of here. I planted them too dense, so I know I'm not getting as many as I should have had, which is fine. I do this every year. I forget to come and clip them back, but I think I'm going to also take this one here. It's a little bit smaller. And I'll let these other ones just keep growing, because now that I've taken those out, there'll be more space for these ones to grow. But I'm doing a pork roast tonight, and I'm going to slice these up and put them with my pork roast. Let's see if I have any on this side. I have some little ones in here. Nothing really exciting on this side. Oh, wait, what's this? Oh, some little guys. They're not bad. There's a couple of them growing down there together. We'll let those ones keep growing. But this will be plenty because my kids don't eat them. It's just me and my husband. The kids are in their ew vegetable phase, which drives me crazy. I wish they weren't, but they are. Let's grab this beet while we're here, because this definitely looks like it's ready to go. That's exciting. That's a good looking beet. I think I'm going to let the rest of them just keep growing. But I might put some calendula in here, because I have the calendula in this pot that haven't started sprouting yet. But I have empty space in this bed and nothing else to plant there. I am also going to grab some fresh rosemary and hopefully not drop my phone. This variety is the Tuscan Blue. And we'll get some thyme also for my pork roast. So some of this is already starting to flower. Which the flowers on it are super pretty. I do not remember. I think this is just a common thyme. I think that's the only variety I have. I bought them 3 years ago. The very last thing that I wanted to show off was that I finally have a nasturtium coming in. I've had leaves for a long time. They've all just looked just like this, and there's been no buds. The ones in the green stalk still don't have any buds, but these ones in the pepper bed are loading up. So hopefully we get a pretty show, because I love the way nasturtiums look. I also want to try eating them. I've never gotten them to grow without having aphids all over them. These ones seem to be okay. I don't see any aphid damage. I've heard they're an acquired taste. I'm just curious. I want to try them. So hopefully we get some. Oh, as I say, there's an aphid right there. Let's just get you better. But they all over here have, I have a couple of them in this bed. They have buds growing in them. And look, beautiful ladybugs down in here. She's doing her job. And I love the amount of pollinators and predators that I have created in this area over the past couple of years, because it is just wonderful to see, especially up in our little bed with all the wildflowers. Pretty much anything that eats the bad bugs that you could think of in this area lives up in that flower bed. So I'm very thankful that I have that.